At Thayer's Marine, our mission is to make your boating experience not only memorable, but magnificent. We offer 4 generations and more than 50 years of boating know-how, plus more than 100 new and used boats in stock. With customer satisfaction scores that consistently exceed 90%, we're your #1 source for fun on the water. Learn more at ThayersMarine.com.
Come visit our newly renovated 40-boat showroom at 14 Falls Avenue in Norwich, just minutes from Foxwoods and Mohegan Sun on the Thames River. We'll show you why we're the #1 Stratus dealer in the country, the #1 Evinrude dealer in New England, and one of the nation's top Triton dealers. Ask us to tell you more about our unbelievable name brand selection.
Looking for experienced boat repair in Connecticut? From fiberglass to marine engine repair, you've made the right call. We service all brands of outboard motors,